Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new money website where you can mine Bitcoin very easily and freely. In this website you can mine a number of cryptocurrencies very easily and freely. Begin your cloud mining investment. Withdraw your first payout after every 24 hours from this website. Earn up to 90% monthly and 3% daily profit from this website, and you will get $5 as a sign-up bonus in the form of gigahash power from this website. Take a look at the statistics. You can see here in just 3 days 13,000 people are using this website and 5,000 USDT already paid out from here, and how much invested here you can check each and everything. Now mining levels, if you want to invest, then you can see here 1 gigahash power is which is equal to 0.05 USDT from this website. Now more scroll down, you can see here level 1, level 2 and level 3 referral system is also available from this website. Now the question is that how can you reach here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. You have to click on register option now to create your account in this website. And here you need to enter your username, then email, then put password, 2 places, then click on create account. You can create your account in this website through this way very easily and freely. Now I am going to log in and I will further teach you each and everything about this mining platform, earning platform. Stay with us, stay tuned. Now here you can see that my mining already started in the form of Bitcoin. Now if you want to start mining in Ethereum, you can also start your mining in another cryptocurrency which is available in this website. You can mine from here Polygon, Matic, Ethereum, and you can also mine Dogecoin and Bitcoin very easily and freely. Make a deposit and get gigahash power to mine the cryptocurrency faster as you want. Level 4 and we have level 3 and level 2 available to unlock. You have to make deposit to unlock all these 4 cryptocurrency which is available in another level. In level 1 you can start your mining without deposit, without any obstacle, without any hesitation. Now if you have amount to make deposit here, you have to click on deposit option now, and it will bring you over here. Now choose the currency to make your first deposit in this website. Now if you want to make deposit, you have to click on deposit option now, or if you want to make deposit in the form of TRC20 USDT, you can select here, and Ethereum you can also select, Dogecoin you can also select. Now if you want to make deposit through Litecoin, you can also make deposit very easily, and you can see here minimum amount credit 0.07 LTC and maximum you can see here. You can also choose Tron TRX and Dogecoin. You can see here minimum and maximum amount to make your first deposit. Now if you want to make deposit through USDT, then you have to select this one, and you can see here you have to deposit a minimum 5 USDT. Now you have to copy this address, paste this address in another crypto wallet to deposit here exact amount of your required, or maximum you can deposit 50,000 and minimum you can deposit 5 USDT to be able to enhance your earning speed in this website, to increase your mining, to get a lot of benefit from here. Now if you don't want to make deposit here, then click on levels option now. First of all you have to learn about this level system. Now here you can see that we have many more levels available to enhance our earning speed in this website. Now come to the mining panel option, and here I am going to show you referral program. If you can't make deposit in this website, you have to click on referral option now, and you can see here if you make deposit here, then you can get free bonus from this website. Hurry up to get the bonus, make first deposit and get 20% of deposit amount as a bonus from this website. Your daily profit is 1.8%, 400 gigahash power to next level. If you want to reach next level, then you can have to get 400 gigahash power. Now click on referral option or scroll down. Here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. If a person join this website, for each registration via your link, you will receive 0.02 USDT from your each referral. And post a video about this website and get view of 100 gigahash power as a bonus in your website to enhance your earning speed to increase your mining power from this website. Level 1 and level 2 affiliate referral available. In level 1 you will get 10%, and level 2 you will get 5% of each deposit balance from your each referral. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now if you want to get this type of more videos, you just need to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get notified yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.